Hello, my name is Jensen, and together with Thorsten Hansen, I teach a course called Physical Chemistry for Biochemists, as you can see here, and I want to tell you a little bit about how we set up the Absalon page. So this is the start page. We use modules, so the modules page here and the start page is the same thing. And we build it up in terms of weeks. So it's a 7-week course. There's a little bit about the course and then the information for each week. And then in addition, we have old exam sets here that the students can get. And so in this way, the students can easily figure out where to find the information. I'll show you first a little bit about the course. So they usually just read that at the beginning. I have a page here where I describe a little bit about the course. We use the flipped classroom approach, so that takes a little bit of explanation here. And then all the weeks are arranged basically in the same way. So for example, here in week 2, the students have to watch videos. So that's here. I'm going to go over to and show this the way the students see it, so you can get a better idea. Let's go to week 2. So we have the videos they have to watch. And so that's just set up as an assignment. And so they can just watch the videos right in this page. And in addition, they have the slides, the PowerPoint slides that are used for the videos. And before each lecture period, they have to take a quiz. So that quiz expires midnight before. We meet Mondays and Wednesdays. So here's the quiz they have to take before Monday. Here's the quiz they have to take before Wednesday. It's just a short quiz that they can easily answer if they've seen the videos. And also we have slides from the lecture itself where I ask them peer instruction questions. So these slides I just put up only after we met. And then they have assignments, and then the answers to the assignments are given in form of quizzes. So this is each individual item here is a quiz with one question. The idea is that they have worked on the problem and now they believe they have the right answer. They are now presented with 4 possible answers, and one of them is correct. So if their answer doesn't match any of these, then they should go back and work on the problem. When they think they have the answer, they can then see if they're correct. For example, if they think this is the right answer, they can send in the quiz and they're told, in fact, that's incorrect, this is the correct answer. They can then work on it more until they get the correct answer. Or again, if they could or they can decide they're completely stuck. Either way, they can go back now, and by clicking the correct answer, they now get a description of how I solved the problem. So I use a program called Mabel, so this is simply a screenshot of that. And every week, so Thorsten and I have done a careful job making sure that each week looks the same, so that they're never really confused about where they're going to find the information. So again, we always start with the videos, slides for the Monday videos, the quiz they have to take before Monday, then the slides from the lecture period, and then the quiz for Wednesday, slides for the Wednesday videos, and again slides from the lecture period. and the assignment. So that looks exactly like it did in week 2. And so that way they get into sort of a rhythm for every week, and they're not really confused about where to find things. So we found that that's very important. Of course, in the beginning, setting this up takes a little bit of time, so each of these items have to be added manually. And of course, the making these quizzes take a little bit of time, but once you have done it, you can easily transfer it into the next year's course page, and then the amount of work involved is really very small.